Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be seeing how many times I could stab this LG phone with this screwdriver that doesn't have a bit in it before the LG phone dies. The reason I'm destroying this LG phone is because it just stays on the LG logo. It's fully charged, so let's get into it. Oh, you could see that first hit left a perfect circle right at the bottom, and now the screen is shattered. So now let's move on to the second hit. Okay. Back popped off a little bit. Screen's even more broken, as you can see. Third hit. I'm surprised. It's staying on. Oh, it shut off on that hit. Can I fix it? Yes, I can. I can't just break stuff, I could also fix stuff. Fifth hit. Okay. Still trekking along. Sixth hit. Oh. It turned off again. Will it turn back on? Did that kill it? I'd be very upset if that killed it. Oh, that's very upsetting. 6 hits and it's already dead. Wow. Will it work after that? Nope. That was just a throw of anger. Oh, I caused a bit more damage. I cracked the top a bit right there. But yeah, it's still dead. You know, I'm gonna take the battery out for safety reasons. Oh, you could see it like escaped the corner right there. Still looks the same. I missed. I missed that completely. Sorry about that. Let me just redo that. Oh. I popped off the volume buttons. See that? Oh, okay. Broke that. Still looks the same. Oh, my bad. I didn't notice that. My bad. I knocked out the volume buttons. See that there? And I cracked the back cover a bit. Right there. See? Now let's do that again. I missed. Oh. Okay, so I lost something else, which I'm very confused about, but there's a SIM card in here, and now it's nowhere to be found. So that's fun. So now let's continue. I didn't hit the... Okay. Actually, I'm gonna see if it will work, or if it's still dead. Nope, still dead. Slamming it does not bring it back to life. Okay. The screen's a lot more scratched up. The big dent right there, and right there. See? Oh, you can see right there, there's another dent. And I skipped up the back cover a little bit. Oh, and I lost the camera lens. See? I'm gonna set it down and grab a brick. On technical difficulties. Okay, there we go. Oh, my bad. It flew straight towards you. The hose just saw my face. The hose set on my face. You could see I hit it right there. Oh, and I popped the SIM card tray out a bit. Focus. See? Okay, so now, next hit. Ooh. That left a good dent. This time, instead of hitting it with my hand, I'm gonna slam it. Oh. Ooh. You could see that's not good at all. It's definitely dead now. Oh. Okay, so now, look. I took a piece out the side. Ooh, that's not good at all. You could see that bend right there. It's a good bend. I ripped that connector off. So I'm gonna be right back on the other glove. It's the famous hammer. Ooh. You could see that left some good tiny dents right there. Like glitter. And I hit my brick. Great. I don't think I even hit it. Let's try that again. Again! it landed perfectly like this. Wow. Now this brick looks good. It won't go back together though. So, oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab some different bricks. There you go. Three, two, one. Missed. That was a good hit at the. You can see the internals. Disgusting. So, dang it. Not again. So now, thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.